In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix integrity could not be verified. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you're getting this error on an iPhone, it usually triggers when you try and open a third-party app installed outside the App Store, like a beta or enterprise app. It means Apple servers have revoked the app's digital certificate on your phone or can't reach the trust server. So if you just install the app, it won't verify until you verify the developer in your settings. So open up settings, scroll down and go over to general, and then once you're in general, go ahead and find VPN and device management. Once you go ahead and click on that, all you want to do is under developer app or enterprise app, tap the name of the profile, and then tap trust the developer name and confirm, and then try opening the app. If the error persists, then what you got to do is go over back to the general area, then go to date and time where it says set automatically. You want to toggle that off and then turn that on again just to reset the time, because that is a very important thing as well. And the final thing I'd recommend is swiping down in the top right of your screen and then turning on airplane mode, and just wait for a few seconds, wait for everything to reset, and then turn it off again, and that resets everything, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.